PowerPoint's probably one of the most widely used pieces of software on the planet. So what's really neat about PowerPoint is before 1997, you probably never saw one. You might have seen overhead projectors, you might have seen a Kodak carousel giving you the family vacation slides, all kinds of formats, even people maybe just like talking at a blackboard. By the early 2000s, almost all of that is gone. I mean, gone to a degree that even the way we build new, let's say, office buildings are organized around the idea that there's going to be a single screen and a projector up at the front that everybody sits towards and looks at. So it's a very quick piece of change. I think the concern about PowerPoint is that not all stories have the same format. And so as more kinds of stories and different occasions for telling each other's stories start looking the same, we lose some of the diversity that separates what it is to give someone an account for why to go to war, from a sermon, from a lecture, from a second grader telling you about their favorite book. All of these things become the same, and that seems like a major loss for the art of storytelling for humanity more properly. I'll admit I love PowerPoint. I love so many things about being in front of a room with images, but in my classes, I try not to use any slides because I believe that what it is to be together is a unique one-time event. And I'd like to think of the metaphor more of being an orchestra conductor, where like the flutes play what the flutes play and the trumpets do their thing, and my job is to just hold those voices and help them braid together into a composition none of us could think alone. And PowerPoint, because it's static and not dynamic, puts limits on how that might be possible for us.